Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. It is all about wrapping paper. I'm going to be talking about wrapping paper meme. We're going to talk about the oldest, newest, least favorite, most expensive, least expensive. And then we're going to take all the goodies that we bought and show you my fun wrapping station. I love this thing. I've had it for almost 10 years. If you can see, it has a hanger at the top. It flattens and hangs in the closet when you're done with it. So it's super compact. So let's go ahead and go straight into the meme. And then when we're finished, I have a little helper who's going to help fill my wrapping station. Come on over, Riley.
Okay.
So first thing I'm going to ask is, what is your favorite wrapping paper?
Probably this because I like the peppermint swirls with the red and white pattern stripes.
Oh, I love the peppermint swirls. All right, what is your least favorite?
Probably one big quick one is this. I just don't like all of the colors. It just looks like birthday wrapping paper, and that these look like balloons, not snowflakes.
They do look like balloons. Here, open it up a little. Let's see from this side. So they are ornaments. Oh, it's upside down. You're upside down, babe.
Oh.
There. It's a cool idea with the ornaments, but it does look like a birthday paper, doesn't it?
Just those type of colors. Like maybe if you made this more of a like Christmas red. Now it just looks like a birthday.
All right. The next question is, which is the oldest paper that you have?
I would say this. I'm still so surprised how much wrapping paper we have left on this.
It was enormous. We've had that for years. Hold up the end. Oh, that's almost 10 years old. We had that one from Costco. It was gigantic. It was twice that size. All right, so that's the oldest. Which one is the newest paper?
Well, this one we bought this month.
Yeah, I bought that like a couple days ago. I saw the twinkle lights and I loved it. I fell in love with the twinkle lights.
We've never had this kind of Christmas.
Yeah, we've never had anything like that before. All right, wrap it up and we'll go to the next one. All right, what's left? The most expensive?
This 100%.
Yes, that one was the creme de la creme of paper. And it is probably my second favorite. It's so gorgeous. Hold it up. Open up a speck. Beautiful. We only have a tiny bit left of it, and I don't want to use it all up, so...
Well, we probably still have enough for about 2 Christmases.
Yeah.
Because the dollar ones are about half the size, and we use those up.
There's 35 rolls, and it's probably the most amount of rolls I've ever had. I am a bit of a wrapping paper addict. But ironically enough, the Twinkle Light paper is the only one I've bought this year. The rest is all from past years. All right, so that's the most expensive. What is the least expensive?
These are from Dollarama. And, well, judging by the name, these are dollar price items.
Right. I love dollar store paper. It tears nicely. Like, I don't like wrapping paper when you pull and pull and pull and you can't rip it apart into pieces. And they have awesome designs. I love the stripes and I love the gingerbread man.
The only thing I wish is that these had a little bit more.
Yeah, they definitely don't last.
They only last for like 1 or 2 Christmases.
All right, let's just take a closer look and I'll tell you where everything came from. These two came from Canadian Tire. This set here, 1, 2, 3, 4, came from Costco a couple years ago. This was from Costco. This was also a set from Costco. Costco, Costco. This one was from Walmart. And from here, this one, this one, this one. These 4 were actually a set from Giant Tiger. And I loved how nostalgic all the prints were. They just reminded me of something my great-grandmother would have wrapped gifts with years ago. And this one, this one, this one, this one were also a 4-pack from Giant Tiger. Giant Tiger, Giant Tiger, Giant Tiger, Giant Tiger. This one was, I believe, Canadian Tire. And then another one from Giant Tiger, Giant Tiger. These 2 were from a fundraiser from Riley's class was selling them in a magazine. And I love this. It's got little cars packed with presents and a Christmas tree on top. It kind of reminded me of the movie Christmas Vacation. And then we have the ones from the dollar store. And that one over there is from Marshall's. And it is probably the longest roll that I own. And that's everything. So let's go straight into filling the wrapping station. That looks so awesome, Riley. Thank you for filling it. And if you see the top part, you can pull out whichever roll you're currently using. And over here we have a bin of bows and ribbon, and we'll probably put away most of these papers. I don't like to finish any one. We'll take a closer look at the wrapping station.
Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas!